Alright, listen up. This isn't just another AI update. What I'm about to tell you could completely change how businesses run, how work gets done, and maybe even how you think about AI itself. OpenAI is making some serious moves, and if you're not paying attention, you might miss out on one of the biggest shifts in technology. So here's the deal. OpenAI is rolling out AI agents. Not chatbots, not assistants, but fully autonomous digital workers. And get this, they could cost up to $20,000 a month. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking AI that could replace entire teams, streamline entire industries, and completely change the way work is done. And it gets crazier. SoftBank is backing this with a $3 billion investment. This isn't some small experiment. This is an enterprise AI revolution. So, why is OpenAI charging so much? And what does this mean for the future of work? Let's break it all down. The three-tier AI strategy. OpenAI isn't just throwing out a one-size-fits-all model. They've built a tiered system, each AI agent designed for a different level of professional work. And trust me, the difference in pricing tells you just how powerful these things could be. Tier 1, the Knowledge Worker Agent, $2,000 per month. This AI agent is built for high-income knowledge workers, consultants, strategists, financial analysts, legal advisors. These professionals deal with vast amounts of data, requiring critical insights fast. Imagine an AI that can digest thousands of reports, analyze trends, and provide high-level recommendations in minutes, something that takes humans weeks. Beyond research and analysis, this AI could draft business proposals, generate financial projections, and even simulate market shifts to help businesses stay ahead. Example, a legal consultant handling a high-stakes case can use this AI to analyze case law, identify precedents, and draft reports, all before their morning coffee kicks in. Tier 2, the Software Developer Agent, $10,000 per month. This one's built for programmers and software engineers. But we're not talking about basic code generation like ChatGPT does. This AI can write, debug, test, and deploy software autonomously. It's designed to replace or augment entire development teams. It's more than just an AI coding assistant. It can design system architectures, automate cloud deployments, and continuously improve software performance based on usage data. Example, a startup working on a new app can use this AI agent to write thousands of lines of code, optimize performance, and even deploy it, cutting down development time from months to days. Tier 3, the PhD-level research agent, $20,000 per month. The most advanced tier is for scientists, researchers, and analysts who need to process complex datasets, simulate experiments, and generate deep insights. This AI is designed to compress months of work into hours. What makes this AI special is its ability to run simulations, model real-world scenarios, and propose innovative solutions. Instead of merely processing data, it acts as a research collaborator. Example, a pharmaceutical company running drug trials can use this AI to analyze millions of data points, predict outcomes, and speed up the research process, potentially saving lives by getting treatments to market faster. At first glance, these price points might seem outrageous, but let's put it in perspective. Who's actually paying for this? Enterprises already spend millions on hiring top-tier professionals, conducting research, and running massive IT infrastructures. If an AI agent can provide the same results, or better, in a fraction of the time and cost, that's a no-brainer investment. A hedge fund using AI to predict stock trends with high accuracy could generate millions in returns. A pharmaceutical company accelerating research by months could bring billion-dollar drugs to market faster. A law firm using AI for case analysis could outperform competitors and save thousands of hours. SoftBank's $3 billion bet. SoftBank is betting $3 billion on this technology. When an investment of that scale happens, you know something big is coming. SoftBank sees AI as the next industrial revolution, and they want to lead it. And if you think this pricing is insane, remember, this is just the beginning. Right now, AI agents are for elite businesses. But just like with computers, the internet, and smartphones, prices will eventually drop. In a few years, these AI systems could be available to small businesses and everyday professionals. The evolution from chatbots to AI agents. For years, we've been used to chatbots, tools that assist with customer service, answer basic inquiries, or generate text on demand. But AI agents are something entirely different. They aren't just there to assist, they are designed to act autonomously. How AI agents differ from chatbots. Chatbots rely on predefined responses. AI agents learn and adapt to evolving tasks. Chatbots require user input at every step. AI agents can complete entire processes on their own. Chatbots are limited to single interactions. AI agents persist, remember context, and refine their actions over time. Instead of merely responding to questions, AI agents can execute complex tasks without constant human oversight, automate workflows in finance, healthcare, and software development, analyze data, generate insights, and take action based on real-time conditions. Example: instead of a chatbot that provides stock price updates, an AI agent could analyze global market trends, predict stock movements, and automate trades in a hedge fund. Another key aspect is goal-oriented AI. Unlike chatbots that provide answers based on single prompts, AI agents are built to achieve objectives. If given a task, like optimizing a company's sales funnel, an AI agent wouldn't just offer suggestions. It would analyze past sales data, test and refine email marketing strategies, implement automated customer interactions, continuously track performance and adjust accordingly. We're entering an era where AI is no longer just a tool, it's a decision maker. Real-world AI impact. This isn't theoretical. Businesses are already experimenting with AI-driven automation. Microsoft and Datamatics used AI agents for customer support, hitting 98% accuracy in ticket resolution and improving satisfaction rates by 80%. Google and Anthropic investing billions in their own AI agents to compete with OpenAI. For small and medium enterprises, SMEs, this could be a game changer. The World Economic Forum predicts that AI-driven insights, automation, and customer engagement tools will level the playing field, allowing smaller businesses to compete with global giants. The challenges of AI adoption. Of course, there are hurdles. Implementing AI agents comes with high costs. Only large enterprises can afford them right now. Many startups and SMEs will struggle with adoption until prices become more accessible. Integration challenges. AI systems need to seamlessly integrate into existing workflows, which can be a complex process requiring technical expertise and infrastructure updates. So, here's the bottom line. Whether you're in business, tech, finance, healthcare, or content creation, this shift is too big to ignore. AI is moving beyond chatbots into full-blown digital workers, and the companies that leverage AI early will have the advantage. The real question is, will you adapt or get left behind? Drop a comment below. Do you think AI agents will replace jobs, or will they create new opportunities? Let's talk. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates and news.